Boom! The market's hit an all-time record high. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, kicking off the week, Monday, October 2nd, 2017. And the markets have been on fire. Insane. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you, Mark the Meerkat, for sitting in for me. I am freshly back from Boston. Did have lobster. I am a seafood lover. So anyway, the market's here. The market's in bullish territory. The S&P, Dow, diamonds, everybody. Diamonds, Dow, the Russells hit all-time record highs. The Russell's up 1.23%. Financials up 0.85%. US dollar higher by 1/3%. But crude oil down more than 2%. Gold down by 0.7%. Silver down by almost 0.5%. And the VIX slightly lower, but at 9.5, guys. Very, very interesting to see. Let's get going on charts. You know what? It's been a while. Let's just look at the Dow 30. Let's look at the tech stocks. We're going to look at them all. Let's do this. But the spider, look at this. Man, we have a buy on it back here. Went under a little trouble, a little pullback, and then boom, breaking through resistance. The S&P, I mean, big time records doing so well. Diamonds got a big pop here. Records. NASDAQ, not a record on the NASDAQ, but a couple days ago we got a buy, and then it's up. Friday we had a buy, slightly higher. NASDAQ just not doing as well as the rest of them. Small caps. Look at this up. Look at the Russells. This is insane. Usually this time of year the markets get really, really bullish, but this is very extreme. Guys, be careful if you got longs, man. This could reverse on you like right now. You could get some nasty selling take place, and you're going to get a lot of people wanting to take profits. So just keep that in mind. Quick look here at the banks. Look at this. The banks just up, up, up. But now we have a shooting star reversal pattern. Tomorrow could be a little soft, but look at the financials. Up, up, up. Closing at the day's high. Very, very strong. US dollar. Got a buy on it. Up, up, up. But it's at resistance. Be careful. The US dollar could drop on us. Crude oil. Got to sell. We're down. We're down on crude oil. Gold, got to sell, down, 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 and it's just not good. Silver, silver breaking resistance, or support levels, that's not good. We thought we had a bounce here. Next day it did pop, but then we had to turn it around, nasty. VIX, down, 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 we're at support. See this, we have what's called a tweezer bottom. We could go bearish as early as tomorrow, guys, Tuesday. Bitcoin, take a look here, got a buy on it under a little pressure, and then it rallies higher. Let's see what happens on that. Just another Bitcoin, you got a buy, boom, and higher, and you can see GBTC right there. But this is an OTC stock over the counter. Be careful with that. This Bitcoin, that's just versus the US dollar, and that's BTC US. All right, let's take a look at, let's go to the Dow 30. Let's go up here. Apple, we already looked at Apple. So we got a buy here in Apple. Or no, we haven't looked at Apple. We haven't looked at these yet. So Apple, we got a buy up and then a high base. AXP, got a buy on it. Looking toppy though. American Express looking toppy. Be careful with that one. Boeing is a high base. That one could still go higher. Caterpillar. Got a buy on it, high base. That one can go higher. Cisco, had to put a sell on it, but it turned around and took right back off, so I had to put a buy on it. But you know, it's how it goes sometimes. So still have a buy on this one. CVX, Chevron, got a buy on it, and it still is a buy. Today, at one point, I almost went a sell on that one because it was nice and bloody, but it rallied back, so I'm going to keep my buy. Disney, put a buy on it today. There's my buy on Disney. And DuPont, which is Dow and DuPont together, a couple days ago put a buy on it, but I had a sell on it and then a buy, and that's where we're at. GE today put a buy on it, so there's the call for GE. Goldman Sachs got a buy on it, very extended though to the upside, guys. Goldman Sachs looks toppy, be careful with that. Home Depot got a buy on that, and we got a hanging man reversal pattern. Watch for that one to drop, could do it. IBM, put a buy on it today. INTC. Look at this. Boom. And then a huge pop on huge volume. This could be capitulation, and that means look for a reversal to the downside. JNJ, put a buy on it today, but it's under moving averages. That one could turn around to bite me. JP Morgan, got a buy on it, and we continue higher, looking very good. Coca-Cola, got a sell on it, and I'm good with my sell. McDonald's, a few days ago, put a buy on it, but it's under pressure below moving averages. Let's see if it can make higher ground. I don't know. 3M today, put a buy on it, had a sell on it. Merck, got a buy on it as of today, but again, this one can turn around and bite me. We'll see. Microsoft, got a buy on it, but that one's looking soft. After one day, we did go higher, but it's just, it is. Nike, I have a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell. PFE, got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy, but we're at resistance on Pfizer. NPG, we got a buy on it, but this one's going to be problems. I might have to put a sell on this one very, very quickly. Travelers, got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy, but this is getting ready to be a sell, I think. UNH, got a buy on it. We're going higher. Cool. UTX, United Technologies, got a buy on it, and the buy is still good. Visa, put a buy on it last, a few days ago, but it's going to be a bear. This looks like it's getting ready to drop. Be very careful if you're holding Visa right now. And Verizon, got a sell on it, and I'll stay with my sell on that one. Walmart, got a sell on it, but that one's getting ready to be a buy, it looks like. So Walmart could be a buy soon. And we have Exxon. I had a sell, but it blew up on me. Turned out to be a buy, so there's my buy. And I wish I could get them all right. Can't get them all right. Can't do it. Can't do it. Let's do let's do tech stocks. Where are they? Right in front of my face. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Let's get out of that. Tech stocks. Okay, go to Apple. Yeah, we did already do Apple. Amazon. Got a buy on it. I almost put a sell on it today. If it drops lower, it will be a sell. Baba, got a buy on it, but that could be a sell very quickly. Baba turns, it might be a head and shoulders, so be careful with Baba. That could be a big trend reversal. Got a buy going on Baidu, but that's a doji after a high. That could turn on us, so be careful with that one. Cisco, we got a buy. We already talked about that. Catfish, Cognizant. Got a buy on it, but it's building. Man, this one had a shot to break out and really move today. It started to, could not do it. So that one could be a sell soon. eBay, got a buy on it. It did go higher, but it's struggling with these highs as resistance. It needs to keep going higher. Facebook, got a buy on it, but this one we have a dark cloud cover. Expect that one to drop. That could be a sell very, very quickly. Google or Alphabet here. I got a buy on it, but this is going to be a sell, I think, very soon. And the other Alphabet with an L, Google with an L, same thing. Look for that to drop. GoPro, I had a couple. I had a sell, the turnaround made it a buy. Now it's a sell again, turn around and be a buy again. Watch this. You expect those turbulence to take place anytime you got congestion going back and forth. Microsoft, I think we talked about that one already. Let's do NVIDIA. See, NVIDIA got a sell on it, even though it's been going up. I'm good with this. This is a 2 trend line resistance area, so expect that to be problematic, and just sure enough, that is. This could drop in quickly. Be careful with that. Oracle, got a buy on it, and it's going higher, but this is a bear pullback. This could be a short very soon. Priceline, got a buy on it as of Friday. We did pop higher. And let's see if we can just keep going higher. It'd be nice to have some volume doing that. PayPal. I have a buy on this one, but I'm getting ready to pull the trigger on the short side. This is a big rising wedge. We're at support. If it breaks that, you will see it crash and burn. And Red Hat, got a buy on it, and boom, that thing is taken off, looking pretty good. Snap, snap, snap. Got a buy on it. It's popped up higher, but it could turn around and be a sell soon. Twitter. Down. I'm gonna put a buy on Twitter right now, and that's it. Okay, that's it. You guys can get out of here. Thanks for listening. All right, let's go into blog time. Here's let me share something with you guys. Most of you guys know we do mentorings in Las Vegas. And on this video I was supposed to be sharing with you, we're doing a Las Vegas mentorship, which we usually do them live online, but this is in Vegas. But after today's news, last I heard 58 people perished because of a psycho gunman. And apparently his dad was a psychopath bank robber, and that news broke earlier. But the bottom line is, a lot of people contacted me because they know our corporate office is in Las Vegas, asking if I'm okay. I don't live in Vegas. I'm fine. I'm there a lot. But 58 people killed, those lives forever gone, and those families forever changed. And think about the other 200 plus that were injured. And how could I possibly get on here and say, let's do a mentorship in November? I mean, we'll probably still do it, but my concern and your concern, all of our concerns, are just for those people. It's unfortunate. We live in a day and time where there seems to be so much turmoil and divisiveness, so much just hatred. I think that we need to see more love, more coming together, and those people who are mentally just not right, that they do get the help that they need. And I would just like to see, wouldn't it be great if everybody could get along? But we do live in a world that's dark. We do live in a world that has bad things that happen. And all we can do is continue to do good things and continue to be a positive force, a positive voice, a person that has true compassion, a person that can not only say that they love, but can demonstrate love. That's what we need. We also need a formidable force to come against evil, come against terrorists, to come against those people who want to do us harm. And I want to see police officers respected. I want to see our military respected. I want to see those who put their lives on the line to defend us and our freedoms to be respected. And I want to see those individuals who are bad cops, those individuals who are bad people, to be dealt with accordingly. So anyway, that's it. So our thoughts and prayers go out to all of you in Las Vegas who have been touched by this tragedy. I don't say that lightly. Here at Grok Trade, we care more about people than we do business. And I think you get that, I hope you do. I hope you do. So, all right, gang. That's my blog for today. So take care. We'll see you guys later.